Good morning, everyone. It is a great honor to have the opportunity to speak at O션테크코리아 2025 today. My name is 사카이다. I am a chief researcher in the regulation unit at the Japan Ship Technology Research Association, JSTRA. Today, I will discuss autonomous ships focusing on Japan's Meguri 2040 project and how we were building a practical framework for commercial implementation through industry, government, academia collaboration. First, let me briefly introduce myself. I joined the Ministry of Land Infrastructure, Transport, and Tourism in April 2020. Working in both aviation and maritime sectors, primarily focusing on maritime safety regulations. Since 2025, I have been serving as chief researcher at JSTRA. I act as a bridge between Japan's maritime industry, government, ministries, and international regulation. Regulatory bodies like the IMO. Let me explain the JSTRA's role. We were established in 2005, founded by the Nippon Foundation and supported by Japan's maritime industry. JSTRA has 3 units. The regulation unit manages IMO discussions on ship safety and environmental regulations. The standards unit handles ISO discussions, and the R&D unit conducts independent research projects. We serve as a bridge between Japan's maritime industry, government, and international bodies, coordinating stakeholders' position, preparing Japan's IMO submissions, and participating in international meetings as part of the Japanese delegation. Today, presentation covers 5 areas Japan's mass objectives and roadmap of our R&D initiatives, the Meguri 2040 project, international rulemaking at the IMO, and finally, our prospects and challenges. Let me begin by explaining Japan's objectives for mass. Why is Japan invested heavily in mass technology? The answer lies in 2 critical challenges. First, approximately 73% of marine accidents in Japan are caused by human error. According to Japan Coast Guard statistics from 2019 to 2023, 7,042 out of 9,341 total accidents were due to human error. This is a serious safety issue that demands technological solutions. Second, we face some seafarer shortage and heavy workloads. These challenges threaten the sustainability of our maritime industry. Mass offers solutions to both reducing accidents caused by human factors, achieving safer and more efficient maritime operations, and improving working conditions for seafarers. As shown here, mass operations constitute a comprehensive system. Various elements function in an integrated manner. Autonomous ships, satellite communications, port infrastructure, remote operation centers, and coordination with conventional vessels. Ships communicate with satellite, land-based control centers. Land-based control centers monitor multiple vessels, and various support systems work together. This integrated approach is crucial for safe and efficient operations. Let me show you Japan's strategic roadmap extending from 2020 through 2030 and beyond. The government has been supported mass R&D and demonstration project began in 2016. With this support in the private sector, companies have been developing the three core functions: autonomous navigation, remote control, and automated passing and unpassing. At the center is MEGRI 2040. Stage 1 completed in 2022, successfully demonstrated through autonomous navigation through 6 demonstration tests, including the world's first demonstration using large vessels navigating long distances in congested waters. Currently, we are in stage 2, which began in 2025, focusing on practical applications using 4 commercial vessels. Simultaneously, while we were developing a domestic regulatory framework and actively contributing to international rulemaking at the IMO. Our goal is clear: to achieve the commercial operation on Mars by 2030. Now, let me explain the early R&D initiatives. The early R&D focused on 3 fundamental functions essential for mass operations: autonomous navigation with user-friendly human-machine interfaces, remote control with reliable data transmission via LTE and satellite, and automated passing and unpassing. These form the foundation for all subsequent development. Based on these R&D results, in February 2022, the Ministry issued comprehensive mass safety guidelines covering the design, installation, and operation phase. In design, we defined the operational design domain, human-machine interfaces, and cybersecurity. In installation, we ensure that the proper systems integration with comprehensive onboard test. In operation, we maintain proper safe maneuvering and prevent system misuse. These guidelines define what safety goals must be achieved, not how to achieve them. This approach allows for technological innovation. Now, the core of today's presentation, MEGRI 2040. MEGRI 2040 aims to conduct the world's first demonstration of fully autonomous navigation, and develop momentum for technological progress, and promote reform in Japan's logistics, economies, and social infrastructure. Stage 1, completed in 2022, featured 6 successful demonstration tests by 5 different consortia. These tests included the world's first demonstration using large vessels navigating long distances in congested waters, not in controlled test environments, but an actual commercial route with real traffic. The test vessel ranged from a small 19 gross tons passenger ship to large car ferries exceeding 15,000 gross tons, including container ships and amphibious vessels. This diversity was international to understand how autonomous systems function under different operational conditions. MEGRI aims to conduct the world's first demonstration of fully autonomous navigation and promote reform in Japan's logistics. Videos. As you can, for those interested, YouTube videos are available. Can I? Hand? Yes. It's full screen. Okay.
なビジネスモデルを作り上げていくことが我々の役割。
実際の船で実証実験ができるできないのは非常に大きいと、これシミュレーションだけじゃ気づかなかったことが多々あります。
Sorry. Thank you for watching my videos. As you can see, these demonstrations proved that autonomous navigation works in real-world conditions with actual traffic and complex maritime environments. Following stage 1's success, we launched stage 2 in 2025, focusing on practical implementation and addressing three important areas. First, technology, developing autonomous navigation in congested waters, automated berthing and mooring, simultaneous remote support for multiple vessels, and reliable ship-to-shore communications. Second, rules, actively contributing to international standardization at both the IMO and ISO. Third, social acceptance, promoting understanding of autonomous ships through educational programs targeting future generations. Stage 2 involved 4 demonstration vessels operating on actual commercial routes, starting in 2025. Genbu, a newly built container ship, Olympia Dream Seto, an island passenger ship. Mikage, is container ship and Daini Hoku Renmaru ro-ro ships. The key innovation is two fleet operation centers providing simultaneous remote support to multiple vessels. The permanent center completed in July 2024 in Hyogo Prefecture. It's the world first design for multiple autonomous ships. The mobile center, completed in February 2025, can be relocated during emergency to ensure continuous operations. These centers monitor weather, traffic, and ship equipment from land functions normally performed by crew. They can also switch to a remote operation in emergencies. Unlike stage 1, where one center supported only one ship, but stage 2 demonstrates efficient multi-vessel fleet management critical for commercial viability. Now, the international regulatory landscape. At the IMO, we are developing the International Code of Safety for Maritime Autonomous Surface Ships, the MAS Code. This will become the global regulatory framework for MAS operations. No mandatory MAS Code is expected to be adopted by 2026, with the mandatory MAS Code to follow by 2030. The MAS Code structure is comprehensive, including everything from basic definition to specific technical requirements for navigation safety, connectivity, remote operations, fire safety, cargo operations, and machinery. This is goal-based regulations. It sets safety objectives to be achieved, but does not prescribe how to achieve them. Since MAS technology is rapidly evolving, this approach ensures safety while enabling technological innovation. Japan has been actively participating in MAS discussions. Japan led the drafting of Chapter 17 on navigation safety, covering voyage planning, stational awareness, collision avoidance, route execution, and override functions. Our contributions were based on Meguri 2040 Stage 1's practical experience. We will continue contributing as Stage 2 generates more data. Let me summarize the key points. In summary, MAS addresses critical challenges in accident prevention and seafarer working conditions. Japan's Meguri 2040 demonstrated world's first autonomous navigation in Stage 1, with Stage 2 now testing practical implementation. We aim for commercial operations by 2030. Success requires industry, government, academia cooperation, realized through frameworks like the Advisory Committee and JCRA's coordination as Japan's technical voice at the IMO. Thank you very much for your attention. I would be happy to answer any question you may have. Yeah, thank you so much.